Hey guys, Ankit Modi here, and in this video, I just wanted to share with you the exact B2B AI outbound sales funnel that is getting all of our clients and our agency tons of leads and appointments on complete automation, of course, with the help of AI and this entire automated outbound system. Right now, look, things are changing. AI is totally taking over, and you might be feeling overwhelmed. You might be wondering what exactly is going on. You may have even experienced a sort of a slowdown in business. Maybe a lot of the leads that you were previously signing up are no longer working with you, no longer signing up, and they are all sort of working with all these agencies or and all these companies who are implementing the modern AI funnels where everything is integrated with AI, right? AI tools, AI systems, AI technologies, and you're just looking for a simple way to integrate AI fast in your business so that you can also continue to grow your business and not just rely on the old strategies that no longer work anymore. And you're just looking for that simple solution or a system to help you get set up, right? So in this video, I'm just going to quickly share with you in a very simple explanation what exactly is working in the B2B space, especially if you're running a B2B service business, agency, or any type of a high ticket coaching or consulting business. Then this funnel is definitely going to work with you or work for you because it's totally AI integrated, and I've tested this funnel on different types of niches, different types of businesses, including my own agency, and I have seen great results, right? And once you understand this funnel, you will also start to actually believe in what I am saying, because you will see all around you that all the businesses are actually implementing the same thing. It's not just me and my clients, is it's this system that is being implemented all over by all these companies who are actually making a lot of money, right? So just to quickly explain, right, what you see over here is a very simple AI outbound funnel that starts over here. Right now over here, if you see, the campaign starts. Now when I talk about campaign starts, I actually already assume at this point that okay, the foundations are in place. You have a proven offer, you have created outbound messaging sequences, you have a LinkedIn profile, you have set up all your cold email mailboxes and all that stuff, right? What we use in terms of LinkedIn outreach and cold email outreach is get sales instantly. Now this funnel starts with an multi-channel approach. This is an outbound funnel where we are sending LinkedIn DMs and cold emails both at the same time, and we are reaching out to cold prospects. They don't know us, and the objective is to sort of reach out to them and build trust so that they work with us and eventually pay us as per our offer and all these specific requirements that we have, right? So how many LinkedIn DMs do we send per day? 30 to 50. This again needs to be automated now. You can't just rely on manual old strategies. It's not working anymore, or if it is, then it will not work very soon. So what we recommend is to use a system like Get Sales, and you can quickly check online getsales.io. I'll also open over here. This is the outbound system that we use for all our clients, LinkedIn and cold email multi-channel outreach. So this system is one technology that you can use to do both. Just connect one email ID with one LinkedIn profile, and of course you can connect multiple LinkedIn IDs as well, and multiple email IDs, so that you can set up your whole outbound infrastructure in just one technology. Each profile will be able to send 30 to 50 DMs per day, and then you'll be able to reach out to these decision makers. Again, this will happen actually after they accept your connection request. So the first step is accepting connection request. The purpose of not putting all those things over here is something that I already assume that you already know the basic concepts of how LinkedIn works. We have to send a connection request. Once they accept, only then we'll DM them, right? So it will not be just DM. like Facebook or Instagram, it has to be sort of through a LinkedIn connection request, and then once they accept, you'll be able to send a DM. But again, everything will be done on automation using Get Sales. Cold email, on the other hand, will happen through instantly. This again is a cold email tool. I'll quickly open on a new window because I already have my instantly logged in. So this is the website instantly. As you can see, this is a cold email tool specifically designed to send cold emails to your decision makers and prospects, and accordingly you will be able to reach out to them. Now, how to do this? With the help of AI, you use a system like Clay. So before even setting up your campaigns on LinkedIn, or that is Get Sales, and then instantly that is cold email, you create your GTM outbound strategy on Clay, right? Clay is basically a tool that combines everything in one place, right? So, for example, different types of data providers. If you see 100 data providers, Apollo, all these, the names that you see in front of you, Visa, Prospio, all these data providers, rather than creating multiple subscriptions, just create one subscription with Clay, and you can get all the data providers with you. And then you can also connect OpenAI to come up with unique AI research, messages, research information, like if they recently got funded, if they have hiring in place, and things like that. So all these things you'll be able to get to know because of Clay subscription, and your data will be enriched, right? You will not be reaching out to a company and just pitch them. You will be reaching out to a company where you already know exactly what they are, what is happening in their company, and how can you use that information to reach out to them. And again, as we see over here, exact triggers with the right messaging will help you get a lot of results. Look, it may look complicated, but as you dive deep into Clay, you will start to realize that it's not that complicated. You just need to sort of understand the basics, and it will all be clear, right? So we start from Clay, we build all these things, we build messaging, we build leads list, and then we push that out from Clay to Get Sales, and to instantly. So it's just one place, and you handle everything together. And then in terms of the actual funnel, right? Like, look, anyone can build messages on Get Sales, and on instantly anyone can use Clay eventually, and will start to make it work, right? But what exactly is a funnel that actually uh, gets you results, right? The outbound sales funnel, because everything has to go through a process, right? We can't just reach out to a prospect and say, hey, let's work together. That doesn't work anymore. We have to build trust through a funnel, right? So that's where this comes in. That's where this process comes in. In terms of LinkedIn funnels, there are three specific funnels that are working right now for B2B space, and these are the three funnels, right? So whenever you reach out to prospects on LinkedIn, don't just ask for an appointment, and don't just pitch slap them. Try and build a relationship and invite to join your Facebook community or a LinkedIn group if you have, or a school community. If you have a school community, then you can invite them directly from your LinkedIn message to your school community. If you don't have one, and if you are selling some sort of consulting or coaching, or a service that involves educating your clients, then create a school community, upload your courses, upload videos, and invite them to join, so that they get to learn more about different things that you'd like to teach them, right? And look, you can invite to join like a free community or a paid community. That's something that you can decide, and you can just keep it like a very low amount, 49, 59, 99, whatever amount you feel is the right amount for getting them to be a member, and just start to build even more relationship with them. Once they are part of a community for at least 15 days, they're interacting, they're engaging, they are reviewing the courses, you can see the progress as well. You can have a chat with them via private DM on school directly, and get them to book an appointment with you. And then again, it's all the standard follow-up process that will come into play once they complete the appointment with you, and once you show them how you can actually help them with a much more extensive engagement, like the actual offer that you have, be it like a service, be it consultation, implementation done for you, you can get them to become your client or directly on the call itself. But let's say for some reason they're not making a decision on the call, you're not able to close them, then again you have three options to still close them with the help of AI. You can place an AI caller in place, again AI calling to only leads who completed the calls with you. Again, I'm not talking about the technical setup. There are tools out there that help you do this. We have Make, we have Retail, we have Vapi, we have Go High Level. There are so many tools out there. I'm just first explaining the concept of what these things are and how do they work, and eventually over the next few videos I'll also show you and also collaborate with a few experts to show you how to use these types of technologies to build these systems so that you can start working and start accordingly closing more deals, right? So the follow-up happens through AI cold caller and then the newsletters, right? You constantly stay in touch with them. If you have a newsletter in place, that's great. If you don't, then there are so many platforms out there like Beehive, for example, kit.com. You can just sort of start a newsletter and keep your prospects engaged by sharing with them helpful content, and eventually once they get nurtured, they will eventually work with you and enroll with you. The last method is a traditional HDR in place, where you are following up with them on a regular basis and you are ensuring that they work with you. So again, specific processes are not discussed. Every single step over here or strategy and system have sub steps which I have not put over here. It's just like an overview of what exactly this system is all about, right? Now we move on to cold email. What are the funnels that work in the cold email strategy? Three funnels again. Personalized Loom video works very well, especially if you are a design agency, or if your product involves some sort of a video interaction where you can just show them a demo, then personalized Loom video will really work. Case study, right? If you have a very high ticket offer, maybe you're selling 30 $50,000 worth of services, $1 million worth of services, then in such situations, all these standard funnels will not actually work, right? You will have to give them something very specific, like a case study of another client that you already have helped implement a very complex solution, and you can help do the same for them. This is what will move the needle. Case study is not just like a random simple document and just putting some basic information. It's an actual step by step sort of an SOP for the client that you build, but you're just giving away so that they know that you have built a very complex system for them as well. So that's a case study. You can send it over and they'll book a call with you, and service free trial. Again, this is pretty standard, and you can just offer them a trial, and they will want to explore your services first before they make a decision. This is personally my favorite. I use this through both cold email and LinkedIn outreach. And for LinkedIn outreach, again, there is one more funnel I think I missed covering that, which is live webinar. You can conduct live webinars on LinkedIn and invite to join to just give them an overview, or you can conduct a live webinar with any other expert or inside your own workspace or platform, so that you can give them like an overview of what happens in terms of the demo, the solution, things in happening in the marketplace, and educate them. So yeah, these are the different types of B2B AI funnels that are working. Ultimate objective is simple. You move a prospect that doesn't know you to a prospect who now trusts you, and you have built a genuine relationship with them, and eventually is now working with you by paying you top dollars. And yeah, that's the whole game. It evolves over time. Now with AI and all these advanced technologies, things are constantly changing very fast, but this type of system is something that is now repeatedly being used by almost all types of B2B businesses, and you can also start leveraging this system for your business and see how it helps you actually get better results compared to the old systems, old strategies that may or may not work very soon. All right, so with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I know this was a very basic video. It was not meant to go in depth of all these things, but I just wanted to start somewhere, because as AI takes over, even I am learning so many new things on a daily basis, and I just thought, okay, this is a perfect video for me to start things off with. But yes, over the next few videos, over the upcoming next series, I'll surely share very technical steps as well on what exactly to do in terms of setting up all these campaigns on Clay, on Get Sales, instantly, how to use AI agents, and things like that, right? So that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.